My message to the audience was very clear. In a forum where all semiconductors players are present here in the region of Valencia as a cluster, but also beyond in Spain and in Europe, to explain what are the needs and the pushes in the value chain coming from a tier one in automotive. In software-defined vehicle, this is extremely important to have the semiconductors with us, the RTOs, and to build an ecosystem that creates and preserves the value in Europe. So the CHIPS Act 2 needs to be combined with the Industrial Accelerator Act to reestablish competitiveness, but also reestablish a level playing field where we are preserving the different stacks in software and hardware that are made in Europe. Eso fue muy importante, exprimir esto también a una comunidad valenciana aquí como un clúster de semiconductores. It's very important that we embed all those reflections and strategies in territories. And again, quiero agradecer a la comunidad de la Generalitat de Valencia. It's extremely important because in territories you have the social tissue, you have the jobs, and what this cluster is doing here, it's doing it not only for its region and its people, but it is intertwined with value chains and ecosystems that go beyond the country of Spain and that go all over Europe and beyond, even in the world. So it's very important that I come here as a testimonial of what is going to be brought by strategies that come from Brussels, that come from Madrid, are also bringing value in a territory like here in Valencia.